welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how I use $50 to create a nice entrance table using bathroom vanity. Now these bathroom vanity, each of them cost me 1,000 Jamaican dollars approximately, and the mirror glass cost me 2,500. It's a 1/4 inch in thickness. So the vanities came in a box, so I had to assemble them, and then I removed the door of one of them. So I didn't add the door on one of them because that would be the middle part of the entrance table. Now each of the vanities, I joined them without using the sink, and on the top of it I'll be using a mirror glass. I'll be using E6000 glue to put on the glass, and remember, E6000 glue, for it to dry perfectly, it needs to leave there at least 24 hours to dry. Now here you will see how I be putting on the E6000 glue on the edges of the glass, and also I use screws to drill in the side of each vanities to join them. So I actually use screws to keep them. Now my cousin running my video.
It took me hours to get this done. Open, and this can open right here, and it didn't came like this. I had to join it. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Thank you.
Okay, see yourself on YouTube. Now continuing my video. So here you'll be seeing me putting on the glass after the E6000 glue is placed evenly around the edges. The glass was measured a little bit, like an inch on each side more, so that it have a little edge there. So I have the glass, fixing the glass evenly on the vanities, and then after that you will need to put something heavy on it to dry. So I got 4 bottles of water because that would be heavy enough to hold down the glue to sit there for 24 hours. So here you will be seeing me putting the 4 bottles on the edges of the glass, and then I leave it there for 24 hours to dry. Remember to like this video, share this video, and comment if you like my entrance table, and feel free to share with others and watch out my other videos as well. To like this entrance table, and let me know what you would do if you got vanities this reasonable. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video.